these words are very common. Many of you might have heard of this. Strait, channel, passage. Correct? You might have heard of strait, channel, passage. Like Park Strait, English Channel. Correct? You heard of this. 8-degree channel, 10-degree channel. Okay, passage, Duncan Passage, Drake's Passage. I'll show you what they are. First understand the concept first. Let's say there is one land. This side also land, this side also land. Here one island also is there, see. Okay. Notice this is all water. This is all water. Water. Okay. Notice that this water is separating land and here and here. It is separating land on two sides. All of you understand first. This is the water body separating land, correct? If I have to go from here to here, let's say I am in a ship here. If I have to cross and go there, I have to use this now. I have to use that waterway. So strait, channel, passages are waterways basically. They are all waterways which separate two land, connect two water bodies. Imagine this land, I am the ship, this is water. So this is the waterway in the middle. So strait, channel, passages are waterways. Listen carefully. Waterways which separate two land masses and connect two water bodies. So I can go in the ship here, in this. Okay. So strait means very narrow. Between two land mass, if it is very narrow, we use the word strait. Narrow waterway. Strait is a narrow waterway. If it is broad, see here it is broad waterway. Channel is a broad waterway. Broad waterway. Okay. Whereas if the waterway is between two islands, then it is called as passage. This is passage. Passages are waterway between islands. Okay, if it is broad and deep, channel. If it is very narrow, strait. You got it? Where to use? Example देखो. Yes, Park Strait, you right. Park Strait, India, Sri Lanka के पास. Correct. Like Dover Strait, England and France. Strait of Dover, England and France. Correct. Gibraltar. Strait between Africa, Europe. Try to locate them now. Channel. Have you heard of 8-degree channel? 9-degree channel? 10-degree channel? English channel? How many of you heard of this? English channel 8, 9, 10 and all. We'll see one by one slowly. First I am writing example. Then I will sit. You can search. Duncan Passage. Drake's Passage. First let's start with Drake's Passage. All of you see the world map. Below South America, USEC. Below South America. What did you get? Below South America? Underline. Drake's Passage. Mark. Use the highlighter. Always use that highlighter. That one yellow is best. Because when you go home, when you turn the atlas, that will be visible. Correct? So this color, highlighter is best for marking on the map. It will highlight the topic so well that you can easily notice. Give me the atlas 1 second. So after marking, at least it will look like this. So that next time you open the atlas, at least all this mark, like Philippine Sea you mark, Coral Sea you mark, it will highlight next time. Then you don't have to search. Where did sir say? What did he say? And then you don't have to search. Mark all this, Drake's Passage and all. Revision will be easy. Because we have to minimize time spent on revision and all. Drake हो गया? One more, see, Mozambique channel, you see Africa, Madagascar. All of you see Mozambique channel between Africa and Madagascar. Mozambique channel between Africa, Madagascar. Africa, Madagascar. Madagascar is one island. There, Mozambique channel. Clear? English Channel is where? English Channel is between England and France. English Channel is between Great Britain, England and France. Gibraltar Strait. English Channel. Take your time. I'll give you 5 minutes. Locate them. If it is not given in the world map, go to Europe map. Go to Europe map and search for Dover Strait, English Channel. You'll get both. Gibraltar also you'll get. Go to Europe map, please. What is the page number? 80. 80. Notice Gibraltar Strait between Africa, Europe. Gibraltar Strait. Europe, page number 80. 80. Or on either side of 80 you will get it. Keep turning this side, this side. You turn, you turn. Next, next. Keep on turning, I will tell you. That one, Europe. You got English Channel, Gibraltar Strait. Dover Strait. Here, this is Gibraltar Strait here. Between Europe and Africa. English Channel is here. Between Great Britain, England and France. Here. All of you got it? Okay. This is Drake's Passage here. Drake's Passage. Mozambique Channel. English Channel. Dover Strait will come here. Okay. Park Strait here. Come to India map now. India map. Go to India map. Page number 8, 9. Locate 8 degree below Lakshadweep. Below Lakshadweep 8 degree. 9 degree. Where is Lakshadweep? Locate Lakshadweep. There. 9 degree, 8 degree. 8 degree channel separates India from Maldives. Lakshadweep from Maldives. Clear? 8 degree channel, very important. It will come in the paper. I am telling you now only. This is Pakka question. 8 degree separates Lakshadweep, India from Maldives. This is 8 degree. Below this comes Lakshadweep. Okay, channel 9 degree. Look at 10 degree. 10 degree is between Andaman Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar 10 degree. 10 degree. Clear? 10 degree channel is between Andaman and Nicobar. Like this you have to search one by one places you have to cover. Go to separate Andaman map. Andaman map. One second. Page number 27. Here, 10 degree channel. Here, 10 near at least turn the page, this side. Turn the page. Next. Keep turning. This one. There. Here, left side. So right side. That one. Locate 10 degree between Andaman Nicobar. All of you got it? Locate Little Andaman, South Andaman. Little Andaman and South Andaman. Little Andaman and South Andaman. In between them you get Duncan Passage. Is it clear? Straight channel passage is clear to all. When to use what, you know.